Hey beautiful people, this is Sanu here and I'm back with another beautiful reaction. So as you guys already know by the title that today I'm going to react on Be First Gifted their live performance, and as you guys told me in the comments that I should watch their live performance as well, so I'm here for you. And again, I want to give lots of thank you to my besties out there. Seriously, I'm really overwhelmed by your love and support you're giving to me. Thank you so much, and it would be better if you like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be there for you giving my honest reaction on video whichever you guys recommend me. So without wasting much time, let's jump into a video, right? And yeah, you can subscribe to my channel because it's free, right? So please do it. And all right, so let's start with the video. 1 2 3, let's get it. Okay, one man show, we all gifted. Cool. Okay, cool. There they are, boys. Okay. Did it in. Even better live, the expressions, it's like 1,000 times better. Okay. Okay, that was cool. Okay. Cool. These audience, they all like, they're not really there, right? Yes. And of course their dance, amazing, so cool. Glow in your eyes. The gaze they have, it's so direct, and the eye contact. Yeah, here it comes, my favorite. I don't want to miss it. Nice. Yes, I saw that smile. Okay. Yes. Amazing. The power, with the power, just right here. Yeah. Yes, the growl, the power he holds, he knows that. Ponytail, okay. Oh no, they are they're real. The people, okay, they're real. I thought it's like it's too quiet for the live concert, so I thought like they are just green screen or something, but they are real. Okay, how can they stand so quiet listening to this song? Okay, you already know. Yeah. Seriously, if I would be there, like listening to them live and watching them with my eyes, I would be like going crazy. Still, they all are like so calmly they are standing and ah, nice. That crack in the voice is so perfect. This sounds really different, totally different song live. Oh, there. Okay, there are lots of people out there. Yes. Okay. Oh, oh. They are hitting some high notes there. These two guys. And again, they are all looking very different. Each and every time I see them, their looks, their outfits, their style, makeup, they look different. I know, just give me some time. I'll learn their names for sure. You guys deserve this. Of course, they last. Be first, one man show. We all are. We all gifted. Okay, we all gifted. Cool. Nice ending. I can see them clapping. Of course, they deserve and standing ovation, right? So that's it. I hope you liked my video. If yes, subscribe. It's free again. So yeah, and I'll be back soon with another reaction. By this time, stay healthy, keep smiling. Remember, you all are beautiful besties. Love you. Take care. Lots of love from me and from India. First, so take care. Bye bye. See you soon.